Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can easily remove a picture's background in 1 minute. This require no software, no app, no anything. It's simple. Simply start by opening your browser. Then type in remove.bg. And now as you can see this website opened. For those who didn't know about this website, it's a website that automatically removes your background from your picture. So simply come and click on this uploading button. Then choose the image you would like to remove its background, then click on OK. Then now as you can see it's processing. And now as you can see your background has been automatically removed, so you will click on this button to download your picture. And now as you can see it's done downloading, so thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.